Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a PDF file directly into your Outlook email. So, let's get started. First, open Outlook and click on New Email at the top left corner. Once your new message opens, go to the Insert tab on the toolbar. Normally, you could attach a PDF using the Attach File option, but if you want it embedded in the body, here's what to do. Click on Text on the right side, then select Object. In the pop-up window, choose Adobe Acrobat Document and click OK. This will open Adobe Acrobat. Now, select the PDF file you want to embed and click Open. Once it loads, go back to Outlook. And there it is. Your PDF is now embedded directly into your email body. From here, you can add your subject, message, and click Send. And that's it. A simple way to embed a PDF in your Outlook email. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tutorials.